Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to my next video on field set and legend elements in HTML form concept. The field set element is used to group related data in a form, and it means if you one or more elements, we can form the group by using the field set. The legend element defines a caption of the field set element. By using the legend element, we can give the one title or caption to the field set element. Let's go to the example here I given. I define one form like this. After form, I open the field set tag. After that, I choose the legend, some personal, and close the legend. And another one is label for first name, and one input I take the first name, and another label for last name, another input for last name, and another input for submit. So our output like this in right side. This is the heading and this is paragraph. Yeah, this border line is there na. This is the field set. The personal, this is title is caption is there. This is the legend, and this is the first label for first name, and first input for input, and this is the last name for label, and this is another input, and submit for submit input type. So this is the way we can create the HTML form by using the field set and legend. So let's go to the my notepad. We can see the and we can practice the one example here. Here I define the form, and after that I open one field set, and I open the one legend and close the legend. Here I given the one registration form heading, and one I took the one label for first name. After that, another input for first name, and another label for last name, and another input for last name, and another input for submit. So this is the way we can create the HTML form and by using field set and legend. Let's go to the this page I open in my local system, and here I create the one my web page. When I double click on it, then it will be open in my local browser and executed it, and sheet so it display our output like this. This is the heading and this is paragraph. So this border line is the field set, and registration form caption is the legend. This is first label, and this is second label, and first input and second input. Here I return some my enter my first name and last name is input. So this is the way we can create the HTML form by using the legend and field set. If you have any doubt, then right click on it what we are writing our code in my our notepad. Just select the elements in debug tool and go into the form, and like this is the first this is the field set overall, right? This is predefined element in HTML, and the legend is also a predefined element. The registration is the caption of the that field set, and label and input, label and import and submit. So this is the way we can create the HTML form by using the field set and caption. I hope guys we are understood this concept. Please practice on it, and please watch my next video for next form input element. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.